Hello, hello, loves. Welcome to Jumpstarting Your Vegan Journey. This is lesson 2, the power of plants. Today, we're gonna dig deep into the magic that this leafy, juicy, crunchy, and very vibrant produce can provide. Trust me, you are gonna be amazed at everything you learn about plants and how they can heal your body and feed your soul by the end of this lesson. Crispiness of an apple to the juiciness of a tomato. Plants aren't just versatile and delicious, but they have incredible nutrients, vitamins, and minerals that you need in your life. Antioxidants, fiber, omega-3s, protein, these aren't just fancy buzzwords. These are things that keep us radiant and healthy, and you can find them in nature with plants. Oh, and the good news is, you don't have to go vegan overnight. It's easy to incorporate a Meatless Monday or eating strictly plant-based on the weekdays. What matters most is that you're incorporating more colorful, vibrant plant-based foods into your day-to-day life. Every single bite is like a healing, warm embrace for your spirit, your body, your soul, and your mind. Now, let's chit-chat about whole foods versus processed foods. Whole foods are anything you can grow from the ground. Plants, seeds, fruits, vegetables. They're not refined or processed with any kinds of additives. Processed foods, on the other hand, often come in packaging and have a longer shelf life due to preservatives. They have additives, artificial flavors, and chemicals. So, they can sometimes be an easy, convenient option, but they're not exactly the best option for our bodies. Processed foods are things like cookies, crackers, chips, ice cream, frozen foods, and even meat. Now the challenge is, can we make more conscious choices? Can we reach for that fresh pineapple instead of that pineapple candy more often? With each bite, you're taking control of your health and your life. It's so powerful when you're able to see exactly how you can heal your body by what you put in your body. Let's all do it, come on! That is the only way to live. It also makes it easy that these healthy fruits and vegetables are so bold, beautiful, and vibrant. Our eyes are naturally drawn to the nutrients that it provides. And guess what, y'all? Those nutrients help you live a longer, better, and healthier life. I often say, if you're not feeling good or something feels off, look at what's on your plate. We literally are what we eat. Everything you put in your body is a choice if you want to live a healthier life or if you want to go down a path that's a little bit more painful. Let's dive deeper into acidic versus alkaline foods. Now, I'm sure you've heard of alkaline water, but did you know that food can be alkaline as well? These are foods that help balance the pH level of the body, promoting a state in which diseases find it hard to thrive. Our bodies have a delicate pH balance, and the foods we eat play a significant role in maintaining that. See this chart? The green side represents alkaline foods like fresh veggies. They help neutralize the acidic environments where issues like inflammation and other health concerns often begin. Now this red side, these are acidic foods. Some common acidic foods include things like meat, dairy, processed grains, or sugary treats. Consuming these in excess can lead to an acidic and chaotic environment for our bodies. Leafy greens like spinach and kale, broccoli, cucumbers, avocados, and even some fruits like tomatoes and berries, all of these help neutralize the acidity and bring balance. Now you might be wondering, why is balance important? An overly acidic diet can lead to inflammation, fatigue, and other health concerns. So even if you're not fully ready to make the vegan switch, that's okay. Every juicy fruit, every colorful veggie, every grain that you eat is a step towards eating and living vibrantly. Remember, every meal is an opportunity to celebrate your body, this earth, and the amazing abundance that it provides. And guess what? If you are interested in finding exactly how you can thrive and elevate your health, I invite you to becoming One Great Vegan. And this course isn't just about recipes. It's about nurturing, cultivating, and creating a true lifestyle that helps you thrive while eating plants. And I promise it's going to be a transformative journey. Just you wait. Now stick around for the next lesson. I will see you in Becoming One Great Vegan, and make sure to click the link below to find out more information.